Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's this song from back in the day. It goes money good oh, money good oh. If you no get money, make you no cry for the people who no get them. So it goes along those lines. I think it's Nico Mbagi or something. Some guy, it's a Nigerian music anyway, high life. So that seems to be the apt introduction to this particular video. So with that guys, I bring you this. Aisha Buhari and first ladies from other African countries picture in Mecca for Hajj. So that's the headline. Aisha Buhari and first ladies from other African countries pictured in Mecca for Hajj. So now let's get into the body of it. Aisha Buhari and first ladies from some other African countries were pictured in Mecca as they prepared for the commencement of Hajj. The first lady of Nigeria was pictured with the first ladies of Guinea-Conakry, Niger Republic, Gambia, and Somalia. Sharing the photos, Mrs. Buhari wrote, "I and the first ladies of Guinea-Conakry, Niger Republic, Gambia, and Somalia, as we set to enter Mina for the commencement of the Hajj. I pray to Allah to answer our prayers for peace and Rahmah in our various countries and the rest of the world. Amen." So now this is what she's now said, but the picture really is the narrative of this. And as I started off with this whole video, with this whole palaver, money gudo, money budo. Now you look at all of these people. Guinea-Conakry, what do they have there? Nothing. Gambia, what do they have there? Nothing. Somalia, what do they have there? Nothing. So now who is paying for this trip is the question really that I'm heading towards with this video. Well, if you want to know who is paying for it, go to the Niger Delta region of Nigeria and they will tell you that they have been paying for this sort of things for the last 30-40 years. So this is Niger Delta money now being spent to do Mrs. Kwashogi, to all these people who are, of course, there you can see is a Malami setup anyway, because Niger Republic, you remember that they had their governors at Buhari's rally in Kano. So by to all intents and purposes, they are an extension of Nigeria and they are part of the greater Fulani experience. And Gambia, of course, is swept in there too. And the Somalians, they are Jamjawid. So it's all everything lumped together. So now she's now taking her poor cousin, and you would look at, if you are ever questioning that what I am saying is right or wrong, just look at the image again and look at the images rather. Let me just have a flick through to see if it applies to all the images. Yes, it applies pretty much to all of them, but what you would notice is that Aisha Buhari is dressed differently from the rest of them, because she's of course dressed in all black and the rest of them are wearing matching colors. So of course it's a case of follow your leader, and nobody will put anybody in the lead position ahead of them unless they are gaining something. And what are these fundamentalist wives gaining from Aisha Buhari? Well, is that Niger Delta oil money, isn't it, that is paying for all this? So as I said, money good oh, money good oh, money good oh, and all that kind of. If you remember who sang that song, please drop the name so I can go look it up on YouTube, because I need to listen to that song again. So now this is how the Nigerian money is being spent, as the people of Nigeria are rioting for the life of penury that they are living, but their money is now being spent on Gambia, Guinea-Conakry, and etc., Niger Republic and Somalia. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Nigerian oil money now belonging to the greater and the wider Fulani hegemony. But before you come join me in the comment section to share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.